Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason Instagram just keeps telling you to add your birthday. Now, that's going to happen for really only one reason, and why this happens is because you may have had an Instagram, account in the first place that you never really put your, birthday in it, at all. Now, if you still want to access Instagram without going into your birthday, you can access it via the website. So if you want to go to Instagram.com, as far as I know, that's still applicable. But if that's not the case, really you're going to have to put in you're going to have to put in your birthday. Now, the reason why they do this is because they're really going hard, and they're basically going hard at people who aren't of age, having access to Instagram essentially. So there's really no way to circumvent this. You can try your best at, trying to do something else. You can click, why do I need to provide my birthday? That'll explain more sense to you. But pretty much this is the main way to do it. There really isn't anything else we can do. There's no way to circumvent this. You're going to have to go through and actually input your birthday. Now, like I mentioned, if you don't want to input your birthday and you still want to access Instagram, you can actually try going to Instagram.com. So if you want to go to Instagram.com on your computer, you can try doing that way. But like I mentioned, really the main way to do this is by going through and typing in your birthday. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, I would probably recommend you can maybe put in your birthday. You can try making another account if you want to. That may end up fixing it, maybe, I don't know. But there really isn't any way to do it. The only way to do it is to type in your birthday via this little prompt down here, and you can pretty much go on from there. So that's pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.